Ralph here once again. Let's just get this ball rolling. What I did here is basically I normalized four stocks for the simplified daily return. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. If you notice the date change in there on the timestamp, so we're at March right now into April, you'll begin to notice a distinct pattern between these four stocks, or I should say a correlation. Now, if you look at the stock market cryptographically, as opposed to other external factors, if you can crack this pattern to see exactly which stock triggers the other stock movement first, that can be very, very fortuitous financially. So again, look at the stock market cryptographically, notice the pattern, interpret it, and act upon it. Again, Ralph signing off once again. Hope you enjoy. We're right there at July. Must have finished it off to the end there. About to hit the 29th. And that's it. Catch us all in a bit. Bye.